going on, YouTube world? Austin Lewis here, coming to you guys. It's been 6 or 7 months now without posting a YouTube video, so I am excited. As you guys saw in the title as well as the thumbnail, I'm back, baby. Back better than ever. So, behind the camera, we have our man, Ben. Obviously, go shoot him a follow on Instagram. And if you guys would, go shoot me a follow on Instagram if you guys are coming from YouTube at the Austin Lewis. As you guys can see behind me, I'm at the warehouse. So a lot of you guys that don't follow me, obviously, on Instagram, this is my first time ever showing the YouTube community, the YouTube world, this entire warehouse, which we will dive into this. But we got this place a little over a month and a half ago, actually exactly a month and a half ago. And this was just like a kind of place for me to create, me to be able to express who it is that I am, do what I want to do, and ultimately have a fantasy factory. So for those of you that don't know, Rob Dyrdek, okay, Rob and Big, like those were like my largest inspirations outside of Wiz Khalifa back in the olden days, right? I'm also grandpa now. Rob and Big's Fantasy Factory was essentially why I wanted to have that. I wanted to create that. I wanted to be able to have a space where I could show up every single day and actually be able to create. My goal for YouTube in this video is not for this thing to go massively viral. That's not my point at all. My point is to be able to share with each and every single one of you guys that are actually interested in tuning into the lifestyle of behind the scenes of what we do, and honestly just getting a phenomenal creation of content, almost like a movie, which is what my goal is with this YouTube channel. Is just a platform that you guys can show up to every single day or every single week and actually watch movies. So I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of the warehouse. Alright guys, so, gosh, I don't even know where to begin. As you guys saw, shout out to Corey for cleaning your boy up. Needed a mad haircut, as well as the truck. So the truck, for those of you that don't know, I have a 68 C10 LS2 motor. Pushing around 650, 700 horsepower, which is literally absurd. That was really not my goal to get it there, but just as you all know, you know, how you doing things, how you do everything. I just decided to go, if I was gonna do it, I don't wanna half-ass anything. I wanna go all in. So that's exactly what I did with the truck. So excited to get that back. That'll probably be another, 15 to 20 days out. But once we do get that, me and Ben will be making a ton of content. I see a ton of viral videos going just of a C10 doing burnouts, and I have plenty of road in front of me to do burnouts in. But no, I just wanted to kind of update you guys with my life, where I'm at today, what my goal is with this YouTube channel moving forward. We are going to be opening up the podcast. So the podcast is going to be rocking and rolling. Me and Ben are literally just going to be building it out. As you guys probably saw, like his little section in there. Then we're going to build out that podcast. So for those of you that came from the A&A show and you guys subscribed to the A&A show at the time, obviously that podcast is no longer, but I am going to be doing my own podcast, with some special guests such as my good friend Derek Vandy and so forth. But super excited about that. If you guys have any, ideas, if you guys have any name ideas, if you guys have any studio ideas in terms of what we're going to build, as you guys know, the A&A Show podcast room was probably one of the sickest rooms that you could actually see when it came to podcasting. So we're going to do it a little bit better than that time. And I loved that podcast studio room. So we're going to do that, make it a full vibe. So if you guys have any ideas, drop in the comment section down below. And again, if you guys haven't already, make sure to like this video, make sure and subscribe, because of course the content that we're going to be coming out is going to be movie quality, and you guys are going to want to stay tuned. You guys are going to want to watch it. We're going to make it enjoyable for you, and that's my entire goal when it comes to making YouTube videos is, what can I watch myself? Can I lay in my bed and watch the YouTube video myself? And obviously for the content that I want to make moving forward isn't so much about going viral like Ram Stefan or all these other YouTube finance guys. It's going to be, how can I create the best content content for individuals to tune into every single day or every single week and watch these videos, and truly just inspire them through, the creative lens. So, just to kind of give you guys an update on where I'm at in life and what this is going to be, and obviously Ben and I working together and creating these videos. So I've obviously decided not to move forward with ATM automation. ATM automation is too much of a hassle. It's too much of work for me. So I decided to part ways and do some different things. Now, obviously, I still will do larger ATM routes, so if you have 50 to 100 to 200 to 500 to $1 million that you're looking to invest in the ATM business, then absolutely, I'm the guy to go to. If you are just looking to invest $7,000, I would just say watch my older YouTube videos. I put out a lot of free content on how to get started in the ATM business, and you can figure out how to spend your $7,000. I no longer want to offer ATM automation to individuals that do that, just because it was a lot of work and a bigger headache for me. And there really wasn't a whole lot of money to be made when it came to that. So anything larger ATM automation, I'll absolutely do, just because I love the space. I love the ATM business. I'm just now, literally yesterday actually, I closed a 131 ATM deal in all dispensaries. So that's going to be absolutely insane. One of my partners are going to be able to take that down. So super excited about that. Obviously, as you guys know, I went really hard into Forex trading. So I'm really hard in the foreign exchange market. I'm going to be able to share with you guys some of my trades, some of my breakdowns. Me and Ben are going to be doing a lot of Forex videos moving forward. I want to share with you guys as much knowledge as I know, and I only trade US 30. So obviously, you guys know US 30 is the Dow Jones. I just trade US 30. A lot of people are like, Austin, why don't you trade Bitcoin? Speaking of Bitcoin, 61,000, holy. He's like, people are like, why don't you trade Bitcoin? It's like, because I only trade what I know, and with US 30 you can make tons of money and only have to trade that pair. So US 30 is what I trade. So we're going to come to you guys with a lot of Forex videos, as well as everything else in my life. I want to show you guys the personal side. I want to show you guys the business side. The inspiration for these videos is honestly going to be more so like a Christian Guzman kind of style video. This is probably one of the sickest videos that I've ever seen done by him, and it was the opening of Alpha Land, which that video, I don't know who did that for him, but that video is so unbelievable. So that's, honestly really it, guys. If you guys have any questions, if you guys, have any content ideas for Ben and I to put together that you guys would like to specifically see, or any specific topics, we are more than willing to make that happen. Of course, we'll film everything, the build outs. And again, my goal for this YouTube channel is not to go viral off the videos. My goal is that you share it with a friend, and you help individuals out by doing so, and you help me out, and you support us by hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, and sharing this with all of your friends. But at the same time, it's like I just want to come to you guys with insane good content. Again, content that you can watch as a movie, and I think you guys would be really excited about the partnership that Ben and I have, and more importantly, what we're going to be able to create. So, ladies and gentlemen, that being said, Austin Lewis here, and welcome back to YouTube.